Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF in Elementor. Whether you're looking to add a splash of animation or simply enhance your web pages, incorporating a GIF can be an effective way to capture attention and convey your message creatively. Let's dive into the process, and I'll guide you every step of the way. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. This is your command center for building and managing your website, and it's where you'll be able to access Elementor. From the left-hand menu, you'll want to click on Pages or Posts wherever you want to add your GIF. Once you're there, find the page or post you'd like to edit and click Edit with Elementor. This will launch the Elementor editor, a drag-and-drop page builder that gives you the flexibility to customize your website effortlessly. You'll need to decide where on the page you want to place your GIF. On the left side, you'll notice the Elementor Widgets panel. Search or scroll until you find the image widget. This widget is perfect for adding visual content like pictures, graphics, or in this case, a GIF. Once you've located the widget, simply drag and drop it to your desired location on the page. Now it's time to upload your GIF. In the Image Widget Settings panel, you will see an option labeled Choose Image. Go ahead and click on it. This action directs you to the WordPress Media Library, a repository where all your media files are stored. If you've already uploaded your GIF, you can find it here. Otherwise, click on the Upload Files tab. Drag your GIF file into the upload area or select the file from your computer. After it uploads, you'll see it in your media library. Make sure the GIF is selected and press the Insert Media button. With the GIF inserted, you'll want to adjust some settings to ensure it displays correctly and fits well within your design. Clicking on the GIF should reveal a settings toolbox on the left pane. Pay attention to the image size options. Full size often works best for GIFs to maintain their quality. If needed, you can also adjust alignment or add a link if you want the GIF to be clickable. Finally, before exiting Elementor, don't forget to hit the Update button on the bottom left. This action saves all your changes and makes them live on your site. It's a simple yet crucial step to ensure your hard work is seen by anyone visiting your page. And there you have it, you've successfully added a GIF using Elementor. Adding an animated touch to your websites can significantly enhance user engagement and make your content more enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any comments or questions below. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy designing!